That error message, AMD Software detected that a driver timeout has occurred on your system, is pretty common among AMD GPU users and usually indicates a problem with your graphics driver or related system settings. Here's a step-by-step guide to fix it. Step 1. Update Windows. Sometimes Windows updates include compatibility fixes. 1. Press Windows plus I to open settings. 1. Go to Update and Security. Windows Update. 1. Click Check for updates. 1. Install any available updates and restart your computer. Step 2. Update AMD graphics drivers. Outdated or buggy drivers can cause timeouts. 1. Download the latest driver from the official AMD site. 1. Select your GPU model and OS to download the correct driver package. 1. Before installing, uninstall the old driver using AMD's cleanup utility, recommended. Download AMD cleanup utility from AMD's site. Run it and follow the instructions to completely remove previous drivers. 1. Install the latest driver you downloaded. Step 3. Set TDR delay in Windows Registry. TDR, Timeout Detection and Recovery, is a Windows feature that resets the GPU if it stops responding. You can increase the TDR delay to give your GPU more time. 1. Press Windows plus R, type and press Enter. 2. Navigate to HKey Local Machine System. Current control set control graphics drivers. 1. Right-click on the right panel, select New DWORD, 32-bit, value, 1. Name it, DAR delay 1. Double-click it and set value data to 8, default is 2 seconds. 1. Click OK and restart your PC. Alright, let's move on to step 4, where we'll adjust the power settings for optimal performance. First, press the Windows and R keys together, type, and hit Enter. Next, select your current power plan and click on Change Plan Settings. Then, click on Change Advanced Power Settings. Now expand the PCI Express section and then Link State Power Management. Set this to Off. Also, take a moment to check the Processor Power Management section. Make sure the minimum processor state is set to 100% to avoid any GPU driver timeouts. Finally, let's tackle Step 5, which involves disabling hardware acceleration in certain applications. Sometimes apps like browsers and Discord can conflict with GPU drivers. For Chrome or Edge, go to Settings, then System, and disable Use Hardware Acceleration when available. For Discord, head to Settings, then Advanced, and disable hardware acceleration there as well. This should help in minimizing any conflicts with your GPU drivers. Step 6. Check system temperature and hardware. Overheating or unstable hardware can cause timeouts. Use a tool like HEW Monitor or MSI Afterburner to check temperatures. Clean your PC and make sure fans are working properly. Step 7. Optional rollback driver. If the problem started after a recent update, press Windows and X, then go to Device Manager. Expand Display Adapters. Right-click your AMD GPU and choose Properties. Go to the Driver tab and select Rollback Driver if available. Still not working? Run Windows System File Checker by typing sfc/scano in the command prompt. Try resetting Windows as a last resort. Quick recap: update Windows and AMD drivers, increase TDR delay, adjust power settings, disable hardware acceleration, check system temperature, roll back drivers if needed.